Hi everyone, today I am going to solve the chapter 4 of the Excel part of the Pearson MyITLab course. And if you want me to do any other part like Word part, PowerPoint part or SS part, or if you want me to do your complete Cengage course, Simnet course or Pearson course or math course, stats course, finance course, accounting course, nursing course, psychology course or QuickBook course, you can contact with me. And if you don't have time to do that one assignments, or if you want to get an A grades in your courses, you can contact with me. You can contact with me through my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number is given at the bottom of the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can contact with me through my email address. My email address is given at the bottom of the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can scan the WhatsApp barcode which is given in the thumbnail of the video and in the thumbnail of the channel, or you can directly click on the link given in the description of this video. That's a WhatsApp link. And now I am going to start that one assignment. Its name is YO19 Excel Chapter 4 Prepare Spa Sales. Its project description is given here. You can read it carefully so you will understand what you need to do in this assignment. I am going to start from the first step. So by following these steps you can complete your work. In our first step, what is he asking? Start Excel, download and open the file name Excel Chapter 4 Prepare Spa Sales. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. Our first step involves only downloading of the Excel file from the Pearson dashboard and then opening of that one file. I have already downloaded that one file and opened that one file. That's our Excel file. I am going to start from the second step. In our second step, what is he asking? To quickly identify the value of the data series, you will notify the existing pie chart on the table use worksheet by adding data labels. On the table use worksheet, add data label to the pie chart to show only percentage of each section. Apply chart style 3 to the chart. So we will go. That's our pie chart. We will add the data labels. That's our data label. We need to include only the percentage, so we will check only the percentage, remove the values. That's our percentage showing for the each chart, and we will apply the chart style 3 to the chart. We will go to the chart design, and in the chart gallery you will select the chart style 3. That's now applied to our chart. That's our step number 2. In our step number 3, what is he asking? You would like to use the pie chart in a future presentation and would like to able to easily isolate and print the chart. To facilitate this, you will move the chart on the chart worksheet. On the table use worksheet, move the pie chart to a new sheet named as a distribution chart. So we will copy that one and select the chart, and in the chart design you will select that. In the location you will select the move chart and then select the new sheet and rename it here as a distribution chart. Write it here as a distribution chart and press OK. So our chart is now moved to its own sheet name as a distribution chart. On the table use worksheet, enter 7 in the cell B6. So we will go to the table use worksheet, and in the cell B7 B6 he is asking to type 6. That's our cell B6. We will type as a 7 here and press enter. And what view the changes in the distribution chart worksheet. So when I click distribution chart, you see we have got changes here. That's our step number 3. In our step number 4, what is he asking? To aid in the analysis of the data, you would like the data on the product data worksheet to organized and presented in an effective graphical manner to compare the total number of massage given over 8-week period. On the product data worksheet, create a clustered column chart using the data range A2 to B12. So we will go to the product data worksheet, and that's our product data worksheet. We will select A2 to B12. That's our range A2 to B12. We will go to the insert tab, and we will say in the recommended charts we will select the clustered column chart. He is asking to select clustered column chart and move the chart to a new sheet. We will press OK. That's our clustered column chart. We need to move a chart in a new sheet as a total massage chart. So we will copy that one, and in the chart design we will select move chart and select the new sheet and rename it as a total massage chart and press OK. Our chart is now moved to a new sheet. That's our step number 4. In our step number 5, what is he asking? Next, you will create a simple pie chart that shows portion of the total revenue each of the 4 different massage types earned from the spa in the month of June. On the revenue worksheet, create a pie chart using the data in the range A2 to E2. So we will go to the revenue worksheet. That's our revenue worksheet. We will select A2 to A1 to E2. We will select A1 to E2. That's our range A1 to E2. We will go to then Chart tab and we will select the recommended chart. We will select the pie chart and move and resize the chart so the top left corner is in the cell I3 and bottom left corner is in the cell O18. So we will insert that one chart. That should be in the cell I3 and our bottom corner is in the cell O18. That's our chart place. We will move downside here. That's our chart uh, placement I3 to O18. That's our step number 5. In our step number 6, what is he asking? You will create a line chart displaying daily revenue by massage type in the June. Each day will appear as a point on the line that is created and each massage type to be separated in on line on the chart. On the revenue worksheet, create a line chart using the data A4 to E34. So we will select the A4 to E34 on the revenue worksheet. That's our A4 to E34. That's our data. We will go to the insert tab. We will go to the recommended charts and we will select the line chart. We will go here, we will select the line chart. And which line chart he is asking? Move and resize the chart so the top left corner is in the cell I20 and bottom left corner is in the cell O34. So we will insert our line chart. Our top left corner is in the cell I20 and O34. That's our cell I20. That's in our cell I20. And we will make that one squeezed so it will be in the cell O34. That's our required range. And what next? Enter the chart title as a June revenue by massage type. So we will copy that one and paste it as a chart title. That's our chart title. That's our step number 6. In our step number 7, what is you asking? Next, you will create a stacked bar chart that will assist in visualizing the status of the project to redesign the massage theory rooms. On the redesign project worksheet, create a stacked bar chart using the data in the range A3 to A8 and C3 to C8. So we will go to the redesign worksheet, redesign data worksheet. That's our redesign data worksheet. We will select A3 to A8 and C3 to D8. So that's our A3 to A8 and C3 to D8. You will press Control button and then select that one. Go to the insert sheet and select the recommended chart. And which chart he is asking? Create a stacked bar chart. So that's our clustered bar chart. That's our stacked bar chart. We will press OK. And next, what is he asking? Move the chart so the top left corner is in the cell A10. So we will select that one and we will move our chart to the cell A10. Top left corner is in the cell A10. What is the chart title? Enter the chart title as a project redesign status. So we will copy that one and paste it as a chart title. Project redesign status. That's our step number 7. In our step number 9, 8, what is he asking? You have data for the survey showing the request temperature of the room used for the massage and age of the customer. This data may reveal important information about what temperature is typically requested by customer in different age group. On the survey worksheet, create a scattered chart using the data A2 to B53. So we will go to the survey worksheet. That's our survey worksheet. We will select the data A2 to B53. That's our range A2 to B53. We will go to the insert tab and we will select the recommended chart and select the first one recommended chart and he is asking move the chart so the top left corner is in the cell E2. So we will just control X and go to the cell E2 and paste it here. Our chart is now in the cell E2 And what is he asking? Enter the chart title as a age and desired room temperature. So we will put this one as a age and desired room temperature. That's our chart title. That's our step number 8. In our step number 9, what is he asking? You want to create a chart to further understand the differences in the types of the massage given over the past 8 weeks at the spa. You are particularly interested in pregnancy. On the product data worksheet, create a stacked area chart using the data in the range A16 to I20. So we will go to the product data worksheet. That's our project data worksheet. We will select A16 to I20 and create stacked area work chart. That's our range A16 to I20, and we will go to the insert tab and select the recommended chart and select the stacked area chart and press OK. That's our stacked area chart. Move the chart so the top left corner is in the cell D2 and bottom right corner is in the cell I12. So we will move that one upside. That's in the cell D2 and move that one upside. So it will be in the cell I12. Now it's in the cell I12. What next he is asking? Enter the chart title as a massage types over 8-week period. We will copy that one and paste it as a chart title. That's our chart title. That's our chart title. And what next? In the 10th step, what is he asking? Next, you will analyze the question of the spa product sold from the previous year sales and compare the result to the profit over the same time span. On the spa sales worksheet, create a clustered column line on secondary axis combo chart using the data in the range A2 to C13. So we will go to the spa sales worksheet. That's our spa sales worksheet. We will select the range as a A2 to C13. That's our range A2 to C13. We will go to the insert tab, select the recommended chart, and what chart we will select? Clustered column line on secondary axis. So we will go to the all charts, select the combo chart, and that's clustered column line on secondary axis and select that one. That's our chart. And enter the chart title as a product by quantity sold. So we will put that one as a chart title. Paste it as a chart title, product by quantity sold. That's our step number 10. In our step number 11, what is he asking? You were provided the December data for quantity and profit for the spa, so you want to add information on the charts on the spa sale. In the set A14 type December, so we will add these values in the chart, last one, December. What next he is asking? 178 and 1901. These values we will add it here and 1901. And what is next he is asking in the cell 12? Your chart does not include the recently added the data. On the spa sales worksheet, adjust the data used to create the chart so that entered in the cell A4 to C14. So we will select the chart. That's you selected. You see we don't got our data of the December, so we will drag that one downside. So now December is added to our chart. That's the thing he is asking. Change the chart type to profit data series to area chart. So we will select the change data type and the profit chart to area chart. That's our area chart and we will select OK. That's area charts. Apply chart style 6. So we will apply, go to the chart style and we will select the chart style 6. That's our chart style 6. What next he is asking? Apply quick layout 9. So that's our quick layout. We will select the quick layout 9. That's layout 9. That's our step number 12. We have total 28 steps in this assignment. I have performed 12 steps in this video. If you don't understand the steps I have performed in this video, or if you want to know the remaining steps of this assignment, or if you want me to do your complete course of the Singe, Simnet or Pearson, math, stats, finance, accounting, or nursing, psychology, or QuickBook, you can contact with me. You can contact with me through my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number is given at the bottom of the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can contact with me through my email address. My email address is given at the bottom of the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can scan the WhatsApp barcode which is given in the thumbnail of the video and in the thumbnail of the channel. And if you like my video, please subscribe my channel to get new video updates. Thank you.